Hello, today I'm going to, instead of brazing or welding, this part right here, I'm tying a knot right here, so putting it together. Alright, it's coming off, as you can see. I'm going to see how JB steel stick. They say it should be almost the same thing as welding. So let me see how good it is. They got two parts in it. So I'm going to rip it up. Gotta mix it up. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, for the steel stick right here, I did have doubts in it, but I think they proved me wrong. JB welding is good. Hold on, let me cut that. It's actually good. Wow. I am impressed. I didn't even need to weld it or anything. I'm impressed. Complete. It's like steel. Metal. Solid. One piece. Completely work. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Alright. You have a good one.